Yeah, buddy. Well, no snake bites this morning yet so far. Good morning, everybody. I do not know how a morning can go so sideways by 4:30 a.m. But it has. And man, am I ever excited. 4:30 a.m. Sunday morning. Opened up my refrigerator. An avalanche of food came falling out all over the floor. That was at 3:30. Wading through the water to get my gate open. And realized what I do is wear my Crocs or go barefooted. Open my gate. This morning I had my Crocs on. Then I go in my bathroom over here, dry my feet up, put my socks on, my boots on, and guess what I forgot to bring with me today? My boots. So I turned around on my Suburban, started heading back. Thought, no, that is going to take way too long, man, to get there and back. So we're taking the big truck back home. I can't go down my street in the big truck, but I can park out, sort of park out on the main road. No trucks are allowed, but whatever, we're going. And just walk about a block down to my house, grab my damn boots, go to work. I'm ready to pull the plug on that thing. Oh. We have to go to, we worked yesterday. I didn't film yesterday, but maybe y'all saw the short. We did a little bit of work yesterday. Moved some equipment for a new client. As I was pulling in the gate yesterday, another new client called. Client that I've really been trying to go to work for. And said, I hate to ruin your weekend, but can you work tomorrow, Sunday? And I said, if you need me, we will be there. Hard to see with these interior lights on. He said, give me a few hours, let me see what I can get set up. So, well, this is turning into a muddy mess. So, at about 5:30 yesterday evening, he called back and said, be there and haul all day long. We're gonna run the wheels off of it. Roger that. I was told that there are 6 off-duty police officers that are working for them full time. They've got permission from the governor. Load as much as you want, haul whatever you want, get it done. We are headed, obviously, still hurricane cleanup. That's where we're headed, back to the beach. We brought those 2 big machines out of North Florida last weekend over to the beach. But they're moving all kind of stuff. I don't skid steers, front loaders. And just whatever we can haul. Haul it all day. I really need some fuel too. My plan was run up here to Love's, get fuel, and boogie on. Be there on time. Now I gotta go to the frickin' house, man. That's frickin'. And normally I keep a spare set of boots out here just for whatever. They're at home because I wore them the other day, the day after the hurricane. They're a muddy mess. I wore them home. They're sitting on my front porch. Haven't cleaned them up yet to bring them back out here. God. Oh well, it is what it is. We're gonna get it done. Alright, little update. We made it. I've got my boots, and we are exactly on time. I was gonna be half an hour early, but the little boot detour slowed us down. I was just met the foreman out here. It's still dark. He said we are gonna load, stuff your trailer full. So let's bring it on. By order of the governor, we can load what we want. That's 10-4, let's go. I'm gonna detach. He's gonna go get some equipment, him and his guys. We're gonna see how much we can fit on there. I'm gonna leave the camera off for now. If I get out, it's too dark to film, but we're here, we're getting started. Let's go. There's the guys we're working for. They're running around getting equipment. I don't know if you can see or not the debris. They're cleaning all this stuff up all around this whole county. All these dump trucks are here lined up, ready to go to start hauling. Hey girl. You can see the piles of sand came from the beach. The beach is on the other side of those houses, and it had this road covered up. So first thing they did was they came through here and just scooped up all the sand and got it off the road. They've been hauling it off, and now they're working on debris. We're loading and unloading here in the middle of the road. Here comes my first machine. All right, here's our first load. We're running it down the beach a couple miles. By order of the governor, they said stuff it full and get it gone. Load and go. We don't care how heavy you are. Of course, that's not heavy. We don't care how wide you are. They said get it moved and get it cleaned up. Oh, that's what we're doing. Let's go. Let's see. A little heavier than I thought. I'm going down a gear. Nice cool morning, but I tell you what, that is one way to work up a sweat. About the same weight as a front end loader. Damn, I gotta turn around. Hey buddy, can you stop traffic so I can back in here? Ah, shit. Man, you let this dump truck out. Damn, car's coming in on me. Look at this guy. Trying to go around me. That's smart. That's smart thinking. That's smart thinking. Got one behind me. Got a dump truck. Come on. I didn't cut it hard enough. Damn it. We're getting it. Yeah. Bicyclist go. That blue truck might be in my way. Hopefully not. Yep.
Give me a second.
Yep. A little bit close. I could probably run up on this curb a little bit. There's so much trash there. I don't want to puncture my tires. Thank you. All right, 7 miles down the road we go. Yeah, buddy. we're here. There's the ocean. Look down this street. This must be what they're fixing to tackle. This road here. I'm not gonna walk all down there, but that's it. We're getting detached. Sand right here. Who wants some beach sand? I can bring you some home. Get it undone. Go get another round. Alrighty, we got those two unloaded. There's 20 dump trucks on each one of these side roads. That car got crashed. I wonder if it got damaged in the hurricane. Said 19th Street. I'm at 19th Street. I'm not unhooking just yet because something don't feel right. Please don't crush me. Don't really want to be crushed today. 19th and Gulf Boulevard, exactly where I was told to go. Guys are back to work. That's a plus. Man, that dude is way down there. I ain't walking that far. Where I parked my truck, I had to run to my house to get my boots. I'm done with my cardio for the day. And I'm a big time runner too, you know. 50 years old. All right, well, we definitely made it to the right location. That is the right machine. They need it a little bit longer. So I told them I'll be out here ready, waiting on you. We'll get her loaded up, get her relocated. I don't have any help this time. Well, those guys might be able to help me. As far as turning around, there's a mountain. But we're gonna go over here and get pulled apart. Look at them all lined up. And look at the garbage. They're stacked out here. All right. Time for us to get back over here, do our job, get this thing unloaded, and then start picking up that trash. I think this is a keyless machine. I think. Oh. So we're going to try it. The other one they said was keyless. Button says push to operate. Go call the boss man, make sure this is the last one. Since we got up at 3 o'clock this morning, I'd rather it not be the last one. But if it is, it is. We still came over here and made our money. That'll be good. All right, we got some more to do. Boss man just rode by. We're gonna load up this loader over here. We're gonna try to fit a skid steer on here. See how that works out with the loader. Never done it, we'll try it. Right now we're gonna pull off some chains and try to get ready. They're bringing it to us. Way bigger than I thought. Damn. We're not fitting a skid steer on here with it, but I need to move over to something serious. Look at that. God, that's horrible. This loader was way bigger than it looked, so we can throw half these chains back. Let me see what's going to work. That'll work. We'll use the 4-footers. Throw these 6-footers back. big road now. We're hauling this one to the company's laydown yard, and then we're going to the house. Oh, come on, man. Want us to come back. That's good. We're full Monday and Tuesday, but we made a good impression on them today, so they'll start using us. That's a good thing. Guys, as soon as I can find my map, it is time to peel out of here. We gone. Time to get home, get some rest, and do it again tomorrow on a Monday. Whew. Had to work the weekend, but we finished out the week good. Happy for that, because it was kind of a slow week. And yesterday and today sort of rescued that. But anyway, we're gonna hit the dusty trail. We're getting out of here. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we did it. Easy day. Well, you know what I mean. No day's an easy day. But we got it done. It wasn't as... Put the keys in the wrong pocket. It wasn't as... what's the word for it? High intensity as I thought. But we moved 4 machines. Didn't need the cops for anything. We just moved them down the road. But I guess yesterday they weren't quite sure how it was all going to go down. But we'll go and enjoy the rest of our Sunday. First, I've got to go over here to the barn, find some hydraulic oil, add a little bit to my tank. But other than that, we're done. We'll see y'all tomorrow.